Hello, hello. Sorry for the delay, everyone. Live stream number 39. Okay. I was having some technical difficulties. Computer was acting up a little bit. So, try to catch up here. I have 9 minutes before the open. So I still got some time to reload all my stuff. Alrighty. Hoping that today is a less choppy day than the last 2 days. And we get an easy day. Monday was easy. Okay, Bitcoin's still holding strong. Yeah, I popped my sleeping pills a little too early by accident today. I might have to dip out a little earlier than usual. Okay. Alrighty. Almost got everything loaded here. This has been a very long week. Not really sure why. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right, what do we got? We got the dollar still shopping around. That's what we got. Okay. I might not mess with the dollar pairs today. Kind of been getting wrecked on the dollar pairs this week, except for Monday. Okay. No real news for the London session, so that's good. All right. 4 minutes before the open. How's it going, Hector? Okay. I believe I have my first trade already right here. Okay. Gonna go for it. All right, got into my first trade there. Nice EMA. Pulled back on the hourly chart. Tushar Khandair, how's it going? And Nitesh Kayer, how's it going? Be sure to hit the like button if you guys are enjoying the streams. Helps out the channel a lot. Doing good, man. That's good to hear. Yeah, like I said, I'm hoping for a nice easy day today. This week has been a little challenging, like I said, outside of Monday. Monday was actually pretty easy. But yesterday and Tuesday, very, very challenging, very choppy. Very much not what I'm trying to be seeing. I want to see some nice, easy, predictable stuff. This is a EMA pullback on the hourly chart. So you got a really big, heavy uptrend here. It pulls all the way back to the 21 EMA. Usually a good signal to continue the trend. Very rare that it just comes all the way down from here. It can, but the chances of it going back up are very high. And it's only, I think, 24 pips altogether. So it's not a whole lot to be asking for. And as usual, I like to get like 2 solid wins. That's usually what I go for. So if I can get that, I'll be happy. I have to kind of sort of wake up a little bit early tomorrow, but not too early. Actually, a little later than I usually would. Omkar, how's it going? Good morning. Hector, the dollar should be going up just based off the major pairs. So I'm actually not even basing this trade off the dollar index. I'm just basing it off of the fact that the major pair charts are all lined up. So the front four majors are coming down. That means this one will go up. So that's why I took this trade here. Looks good so far. Life of Muhammad. How's it going? What about gold? Let's see. What about gold? I don't see much going on. If the dollar is gonna go up like it should, then this should come down. But I don't know if gold is that closely linked to the dollar like that, like the major pairs are. I really don't trade gold often, so I'm not the person to ask on that. But just based off of reading the chart, I don't really see much of anything here. Oh. Okay, might actually get into a trade here too. Possibly. The AUD NCD looks pretty stalled out. A lot of new people in here today. Again, hit that like button if you guys enjoy the streams. Help out the channel. Takes little to no effort on your part. I'm very tempted to get in here too. Yay. I like this big bar here. I don't like the chart though. So I think I'll skip that one, but I think this should come down too. Man, I really might get into this actually. The chart looks terrible, but it looks like a solid move down at least. Okay, I'll try it out. Okay. Got two pretty decent looking trades so far. So this is already starting off way better than yesterday. Stop loss is kind of huge. John Doe, how's it going? This trade here, a couple things, but mainly it's a 50% retrace on the hourly chart. So I usually don't even use the Fibonacci. I don't even know where it is on here. See if I can find it. Probably. Oh, nope. Oh. Where's the Fibonacci? Anyways, it doesn't matter. All right. So this is what I usually do. I just measure it from the top to the bottom. So the middle is where that little line is. That's right where we are. So you don't need a Fibonacci tool. Just do it like that. I'm all about having less stuff on your chart rather than more. So yeah, it's a 50% retrace on the hourly chart. A really big engulfing bar. Especially on this pair, it usually means go into that direction. This pair is very kind of a weird pair, but it's pretty predictable once you know what's going on. Yesterday had another red day yesterday, so it was not a good week so far. I'm not down by a whole lot, but I am actually down this week. It's the first time that's happened in a while. But if I get these two trades here, which is looking like will be the case, I believe I'll be back on track. I'll at least have a little profit for the week, and then I still have tomorrow. So if I can get to like 5 or 6% for the week, I'll be okay with that. Some type of profit, not a huge profit, but a profit. I know they have a Fibonacci tool in here. Like I said, I don't use it anyway, but I at least want to know where it is. Oh, here it is. Just so I can show why I don't use it. Kind of pointless. This is no different than just measuring it on your own. So why even bother doing all that? Okay, both trades are looking pretty good. Yeah, if I get these two, that might even just be it for today. I don't think I have the energy to keep looking for trades all night. Oh, the music is good. Hopefully. Like I said, I can't hear it, so. You said, how do you know, or how do you not take trades that are related, like moving the same way or just opposite of each other? So that'd be the same thing as to increase the risk on the first trade or pair that you took. It's a part of my course, but I actually have like a free version. See if I can remember which video that was. I think. All right, I'm giving you some really valuable free information right here. Okay. All right, you ready? This video on my channel shows you the pair correlations. I have a little chart on there that I put on there as like a preview for the new version of the course. So watch that video and you'll see a giant chart of all the different pair correlations. There's that. Something I spent like, 2-3 years, well, more like 2 years figuring out. Gotta charge this thing. Hold on one second, I'll be right back. Yeah, there's some other lists of the pair correlations online. Yeah, I made my own list just based off my own experiences, and it really only includes the pairs that I trade, which are the best pairs, the most traded pairs. That's the ones I focus on. I don't do like exotic pairs or anything like that. And yeah, gold and silver are very similar charts. Not the same, but similar. Yeah, you can look those up if you want. I've already made my own list, so I don't really need to see anyone else's. But I've seen other people's lists. They're pretty much the same as mine. I didn't know all that stuff was out there when I was putting it together. So it was nice to see though that my list was so close to everyone else's, or ours were almost the same thing. That means we're all on the same page. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of like all these other things. Just like the yens, I want the yens to all be moving in the same direction if I'm going to take a trade on it, on any of them. Same thing with the major pairs. Same thing with the GBP and Euro cross pairs. You typically want them to all be going in the same direction. Makes it a lot easier because the market is in alignment. That's definitely what you want. Yeah, I'm actually kind of happy I got that copyright strike on that Trapanese playlist. It was a little too hyper anyway. Went back and listened to it. Yeah, I don't really listen to these playlists because they're usually like 10 hours long. So I'll just listen to like a couple songs and see what the vibe is and hop it in like that. I don't have time to preview it before. And then, like I said, I can't hear it now. So only time I can actually hear it is when I go back and watch. Still kind of in shock though. That was the first time they actually removed the video. That was a little different. Uh-huh. Yeah, that guy with that playlist, he thinks he's Britney Spears or something. Michael Jackson. Out here copyright striking people. Never heard of him before. But it was a nice playlist, so I'll at least give him that much. Oh, wow. Went all the way back up. Oh, jeez. Goodness. We want to at least have the stop at this level. Yeah, I'm really not a fan of moving my stops. But if there's a big heavy level like this, there's a big heavy level like this one right here, you at least want to have your stop above it in the case that it rebounds off of it. Yeah, I can't wait to get a new computer. There's so many things I can't do with this computer. Even though it's really a really good computer, it's just kind of outdated. So I gotta get a new one. Have I considered hedging? Yeah, I actually came up with a really good hedging-ish strategy. Maybe I'll make a video about it one of these days. It's kind of labor intensive, so I don't like to do it. And you could trade regular and still still do just as well. But there's some good EAs out there that do hedging for you. I actually just had somebody put me on to one, so I'll have that do its thing. I like the way that I trade physically, manually, whatever. But yeah, I wouldn't mind like a hedging robot to just kind of trade throughout the day on like a small account. I wouldn't trust a robot with a really big account. Yeah, it's kind of like a zone recovery martingale type of thing, but it only has 3 cycles, so it doesn't just go on forever. Wow, yeah, I might even lose this one. That's crazy. But yeah, I didn't like this chart anyway. I figured I'd try it out, but it wasn't like the best trade. This one looks pretty decent. You do it with 3 reward in one direction. That trade fails, you take another trade in the other direction, 3 reward. If that trade fails, you take another in the original direction, 3 reward. If they all fail, then that's it. So if you win the first trade, you get 3. If you win the second trade, you get 2. If you win the third trade, you get 1. And if you lose the whole thing, you lose 3. But like I said, that's a lot to be doing when you really don't even have to do all that. You can just trade regularly and get the same, if not better, results. So it does work though. But yeah, you still have to be a good trader to be able to do that kind of stuff anyway. It's not like training wheels or anything like that. Yeah. Not using a stop loss, I don't recommend that at all. I've seen some really crazy stuff happen over the years. You just never know. Currencies can come crashing down really, really heavy. And if you don't have a stop loss, you're just kind of screwed. You'll probably just bust your account, really, doing that kind of stuff. But yeah, I've heard of people doing it. I wouldn't recommend it personally. Yeah, I don't really pay attention to other traders like that. We all have like different styles, so I don't know. I developed my own style. I didn't need to watch somebody else and copy his stuff. I just I do my own thing. I say the same thing with people with my stuff. You don't have to do things exactly how I do them. You can take from me. I've taken from other people. I've read books. I've done stuff like that. But I didn't feel the need to completely copy somebody else's style. You know, whatever works. Some people live off of signals or whatever. You can do that too. You don't have to actually try that hard when someone else is going to do it for you. All right. Yeah, so far this trade's looking pretty good. Other one, not as much. Yeah, this one here might end up being a loss. And this one's probably a win. Yeah, I tried signals too in the beginning. It was actually really bad. I tried a couple different ones. And then I can't really give signals unless you're like on a call with me or something, because you see how fast my trades are and how tight the stop losses are and stuff. So if I gave out signals like through a chat room or something, a lot of people will probably enter late and like miss the move all the way. So I don't know. It's something I'm still thinking about, but I don't think I'll do it like putting out text signals. You'd have to like be on a copy trader with me or something. I might do something like that. Just offer like a copy trade service instead of a signal service. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I did it. I got as much information as I could and then came up with my own thing. That's the way I recommend doing it. So check out a bunch of different courses, books, videos, channels, all that stuff, and then, you know, come up with your own way. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, people keep asking me about the signals. I very, very highly doubt that I would ever do that. But never say never. You said you like the most things about my trading, but not moving the stop loss. Yeah, I'm not a fan of moving the stop loss either. Um, yeah, definitely thinking about making more rules around that, so I don't get so reckless with it. That's the thing, though. I don't really have a whole lot of bad habits left. I wasn't recording my trading before. You'd be shocked and amazed at how far I've come. That first year was especially bad. Okay, looks like I do have this one here. This one, yeah. So this one will probably fail, and then this one will go through. So I'll be up 2 so far. Yeah, I like the apple juice here and there. Here and there. Yeah, they say if you want to be like the best version of yourself, that you should not drink any apple juice, but I happen to like apple juice, so I'm going to continue drinking it. You know, just got to have a good balance. Don't drink every day. Can't go crazy with it. I usually wait until the weekend. Oof. Yeah, I might actually get both of them. It did rebound. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, if I get both of these, that'd be +6 for the day. Very good day.
Yeah, it looks like the yens are on the move too. Still has to break through these levels. Yeah. The yens are really good for like heavy pullbacks. You see a lot of those on those pairs. Ah, okay. Yeah, I did lose this one. Yeah, I lost that one. That's fine. Like I said, I don't think that one's that good to begin with. And still got a little bit more to go here. At 12 pips to go. See if it makes it. Yeah. Yeah, what I've noticed is my life got way better once I started keeping myself busier. if you're busy doing stuff, you don't really have time to get into too much trouble. And then, you know, you make more money. You feel accomplished as a person. All that good stuff. Oof. Should probably go to break even here, just in case. I don't think it should come all the way back down here unless it's gonna fail. So I'll actually set this one to break even. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. Having money is just kind of necessary to be able to get anything done these days. So, yeah, you gotta make money. So you might as well make it into something fun, something that you enjoy doing. Otherwise, just be miserable, chasing after money, doing stuff that's not aligned with you. Yeah, that's me. That's my main hobby. Is I like to work out. Keeps me in good shape. Keeps it to where, you know, feel secure. If I need to defend myself, I can. And yeah, you stay healthy. All that good stuff. It's got a bunch of good benefits. Most people that work out eat really healthy and all that. Do a bunch of fitness activities. Yeah, I would say this is my new life. I feel like a new person since I became a Forex trader. Like a completely different person. I have much more like control over my life now. So this was a really good choice. You say you love trading, not only because you can make money, but it changes your attitude towards other things too. I'm more calm and positive overall. My mental is better, and you have more discipline built up. Yeah, I agree completely. I always say, I've said this a couple times in my regular videos, that trading just makes you a better person because you have to take accountability for your actions, which most people don't do. And you have to have patience and discipline, which also most people don't have. So you're already light years above most of the population by just learning a skill like this in the first place, and then you make good money on top of it. And it only takes like two or 3 hours Monday through Friday. I mean, at most maybe you'll spend 15 hours a week doing this, which really isn't that much time, especially for the amount of money that you can make. Yeah, I hear you, John. I definitely hear that. Yep. Yeah, that's the goal. I would like to be able to do this full time. Hopefully by the end of the year. And just go from there. Be able to spend more time traveling and stuff like that. Snatch that beamer up. All that good stuff. You said, can I look at the Euro USD 5-minute chart? Yeah, I'm looking at it over here, but let's see. It's a reversal pattern. Oh, so you mean like a parabolic bottom? Nah, I wouldn't put that in parabolic bottom category. But this trade right here on the hourly chart is a 21 EMA pullback. And the hourly chart is always going to beat out the 5-minute chart every time. So better to base your trades off the hourly chart. Okay, so it is at the level right now. So I'll see if it actually is able to get through. Probably. The EMA pullbacks, they happen on all the time frames. But this particular one is on the hourly. But you see them a lot on the 5-minute. You'll see them on the 3-minute. Man, I popped that sleeping pill too early. Hopefully I don't fall asleep on the stream. That'd be a little embarrassing. This chair is kind of comfortable too. I really could fall asleep on this bad boy. I know. I've seen that. People like to watch other people sleep. Yeah, I don't know, man. Everybody's got their thing, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I guess if somebody was like drunk or something, they could fall asleep on their stream and just forget that they're streaming. Sometimes I forget that I'm streaming. I gotta remind myself, like, oh, wait a minute. I'm still kind of new to it. And yeah, if you'd have asked me 2-3 years ago if I would have a YouTube channel and be streaming, live streaming on it, I'd have just laughed in your face. I never thought I'd be doing this kind of stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, she gets more viewers while she's sleeping than she does on her regular content. Goodness. Yeah, some of these ladies especially make a ton of money from like OnlyFans and stuff. Really ridiculous. But hey, again, you know, everybody likes to watch what they want to watch. Pay for what they want to pay for. But yeah, a couple of those girls are in the millions. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's kind of how I felt about Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. It's like oversharing. I don't feel the need to like tell everybody every little detail about my daily life. And then why do you care about that anyway? It is the Sims to give them money. Yeah, why would you? Never mind. Again, I don't want to like. If that's what you want to watch, go ahead and watch it. But I'm not paying for that kind of stuff. Yeah. Man, you guys are going in. Yeah, the financial abuse, I did hear about that. They want you to like steal money out of their bank account. See, to me, that just means you have too much money and you have too much time on your hands and you need to get a real hobby. Stop acting weird. I'm sure those girls are happy, whoever's financially abusing him. Yeah, people are into some weird stuff. The mental decline of modern people. That is a really good way to put it. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I noticed though is you can ignore 90% of this stuff going on. You know, I see it. I'm like, okay. I'm not going to put any energy into it. Oh. Also, these guys don't have money that are being financially abused. Well, that's even more stupid. I thought it was like rich dudes that were just tricking off a little bit of their money. Like, that would have made more sense. It's some like regular dude. And that really doesn't make sense. Alrighty, John. Have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, this is probably the last trade I'm gonna take. Yeah, that sleeping pills is definitely hitting me. Tushar. Yeah, I lost that other trade, that EGBP. This one here. Yeah, it ended up coming back up. But yeah, like I was saying, it wasn't that good of a trade anyway. Alrighty, Hector. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Okay. All right, I'm actually getting sleepy now. So I'm gonna let this trade run. And see. I will be back tomorrow at 11:30 West Coast time. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure to press the like button if you didn't already. And I'll see you tomorrow. Later.